student of mine is accusing you of rape. Male or female?
Your banking is stolen. Denied.
She just had a crush on me and she told me.
She said you raped her. And what do you expect me to do?
Find out the truth! Have you seen today's papers? I just did.
Then I went into the bathroom to take a shower. After the shower, I realized I left my handbag in the living room and I wanted to get my deodorant spray. Somehow, the towel fell off and he forced himself on me and it hurts.
Were you a virgin before?
No. But that was the biggest thing that ever entered me.
Are you tired of this relationship?
Turn this around on me. You stood me up in that restaurant, and now you're blaming me for talking with another lady who happens to be my student. If you had kept your word and showed up, I'm sure she wouldn't have asked me for a ride back to campus.
We have to get rid of Estella tonight.
We must kill her tonight.
We can't kill her.
I don't trust her.
She'll betray us. We can read her like a book.
We must poison her.
Poison? Isn't there any other way?
All die be die.
I love you.
I love you.
I love you too.